Hello and welcome to Sinft. I'm Michelle, Foreign Trade Department Manager. Today we are now in episode 12. In this episode, I will make a brief introduction to our coalescing filters. Sinft coalescing filters are used for higher levels of separation compared to the other purification and filtration systems. These filter elements separate immiscible liquids or liquids from gas streams and ensure the removal of 99.99% of solid particles, keeping fuels and liquids free of particle and free water contamination. Sinft offers Paul, Hugo, Parker replacement coalescing filters, which feature unique filter material cartridges and a special design that allows you to use increased load, less circulating cartridges in your system. These coalescers that we designed change the way the airflow is regulated. The following is the technical information of the product. The Mr. Cartridge utilizes an inside-out flow to trap the oil from the airstream and return it to the oil reservoir for reuse. The resulting clean air can be safely released into the atmosphere with no environmental impact whatsoever. Paco gas coalescer cartridges work on a principle called saturated depth coalescing. This allows liquid droplets to collect and saturate the pores within the media depth, then grow to their fullest potential. The droplets then drain with gravity when they reach a certain size. These liquid droplets often take with them solid contamination particles, as well causing a self-cleaning effect within the depth media matrix. We have three types of end caps to choose from: integral end cap, CE top end cap, and optional bottom metal end cap. The following is the technical information of the product. For more specific information, please visit Sinft official website. See you next time!